Do you still have that Costco rotisserie chicken sitting in your fridge from 3 days ago? Today we're giving it a glow up. First I'm cutting some chives for garnish. Next I'm cutting Shimeji mushrooms. You can use any mushroom you like. Now I'm starting the rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice. I cook the rice for about 15 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it rest, covered, for another 5 minutes. I'm adding the rotisserie chicken. Mushrooms, and butter right on top of the rice. Into the pot, I add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of mirin. Close the lid and on low heat, cook everything for another 2 minutes, just so all the flavors can get friendly with each other. Now I'm taking the chicken out of the pot. Then I mix the rice and mushrooms well with the sauce. I'm deboning the chicken from the thigh and drumsticks. Since it's already cooked, the meat comes off so easily and it's really soft and tender. Now sprinkle on the chives. A lot of chives! Add a pinch of sesame seeds. And that's it. This is so simple but seriously so good.